So if you're having trouble logging into Grok AI, yeah, it can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes to solve Grok login issues step by step. First, double check your email, username, or password. Make sure everything is correct. Even a small typo can prevent you from logging in. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password. Then follow the instructions to reset it through your email or phone. Next, make sure your internet is stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause login failures or endless loading. Now try clearing your browser cache or app cache. Yeah, old data can sometimes block login attempts without you even realizing it. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. X or Grok servers might be down, so check online or try again after a few minutes. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off or switching to another region because login systems sometimes block unusual locations. Also, make sure your app is updated or reinstall it if needed. This can fix hidden bugs that affect login, and that's it. These steps should fix most Grok AI login issues. If it worked for you, hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you next time.